Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your birthday on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on Edit Profile button. Tap on Personal Information Settings. Then tap on Birthday section, so you can adjust your birthday here. After that, tap on the icon in the upper right. Thus, the process of changing your birthday on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.